Ooh, that box is looking pretty sad. I think you guys deserve a better feeder. What you doing there?
Keep passing my soap. I made a soap stand. I found this square soap at the dollar store. I figured that it would be really easy to build a box for it because all the other soaps that we have are like the fancy oblong ones and they're round. That's just too complicated. I can't do that. I'm gonna paint it with dollar discount paint from Home Depot, which is a lovely kind of sea foamy green, Tiffany blue. I don't know, it's pretty. I'm very much governed by my colors. This will help when it gets wet, because undoubtedly we will get it wet. Help it last longer, because this is just scrap wood. There's nothing special about this wood.
You want to talk about this patent pending design?
Oh, sure. This is a Pinterest special. Pinterest, by the way. You can't see my mouse say that, so you don't have to dub it. I saw a picture of a feeder on the internet, and I didn't want to spend $144, which we've probably spent more than that in our time.
Way more.
But
way more.
We don't have jobs right now, so my time's worth a lot less.
That's not true.
We needed a feeder that's special because it's alpaca and goats. We didn't want to build a low one, and we didn't want to build a high one, so this is kind of a hybrid. We built it big so that we could definitely expand our herd and still use it. So far, our girls are getting about 4 flakes a day. We try and save at least a flake and a half to be fed at bedtime, because that makes them hungry and want to follow us into the barn. But other than that, the rest of it will go in here. So it should fill up a little bit.
1 week later. All right, we're almost done with this.
It's kind of like a Taj Mahal type thing. I think this thing is going to be standing long after all the goats in the pasture have died of natural causes.
Jeez, that's a nasty thought. Why would you say?
That's 20 years, baby. That's a long time. Nice.
I mean, they're gonna step in it, so.
Well, it was $1. It's done. It's done. The Tajma goat, the impossible project that took a really long time, but is super awesome because my husband is a really good crack engineer. Didn't really plan it out very well, so thank God Bobby could rein it in and make it sturdy. You can walk on it.
Look. Compound angle. Not bad. It's been a long time. Not perfect. It's been a long time since I've done one of those. But a few afterthought notes I'm sure we'll get some comments in the section about that. Hey, for everybody, I tried to CAD this. She wouldn't let me do it. So that's on her.
I thought it was going to be quick.
Okay.
I thought it was going to be a box with a fence.
A week later, we're done. What is it? 9 o'clock at night. And it's also 69 degrees. Nice night out. Okay, let's put this up.
It's got a neat patina. And a nice head block, so this sharp edge will not decapitate an alpaca. And hopefully we're going to orient it so that the afternoon sun will hit it. And it will keep the hay nice and juicy and from drying out. But it's super low so that the pygora can handle walking up to it. And then another interesting thing that Bobby added is that this is actually not touching. So I think what I would enjoy that most for is being able to hose this area down, because I imagine it's gonna get lots of spit on it because this is where the extra hay will fall. So if the hay gets wet or moldy or whatever, we can just wash that, and there's actually really no areas where the water will get super trapped, which is nice. Sure hope he doesn't scratch my paint job. Well, what are your thoughts? It doesn't match the shipping container. But it'll be very easy for me in the morning to come and dump a couple bales of hay, or a couple flakes of hay. And then their minerals will go in here, and I can just take this out and wash it. In the shade of the food tree. Yeah. Alright, thumbs up.
Looks like somebody's very concerned there. Hi, buddy. There we go. Now we have soap out here. Yay!
Hair looks amazing.
It's long.
It's so beautiful.
Take that for the baby. Delicious Reese's Pieces for him. Hope you're being watched.
So keep it up there.
Keep it up there because of the bunnies.
Hi guys! Hi guys! Come on! Hi guys!
Good morning.
Hi guys! Well,
Hi, Jack.
they're looking.
Like, is this it?
Come on guys! Come on guys!
There it is. Look, it's dual-sided.
Hi baby!
Overall, this was a great success. Everything in this feeder was built from scraps except for the screws and the metal square concrete reinforcement wire that we bought from Home Depot. It turns out this was the perfect size for the goats to get their heads in, but also holds the hay from spilling out. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Everybody's watching, so don't f*** it up.
That's entered?
Yeah.